Let's take a look at the vitamins our body needs. So, our human body needs 13 essential vitamins, and it's divided into two categories. There are water soluble ones and there are fat soluble ones. Water soluble vitamins need to be replenished regularly, daily or every few days, as our body excretes the excess. Fat soluble vitamins are stored in fatty tissues and the liver. They do not have to replenish daily, as they can be stored in the body for up to 6 months. Okay, let's go through the fat soluble vitamins first, as there are only 4 of them. Vitamin A, aka retinoids and carotene, their purpose is vision, especially in the low light, and they also have an immune system function, and they're also responsible for the cell growth, and they maintain healthy organs like heart and lungs. The sources, you can get them from carrots, liver, dairy products, fish, sweet potatoes, spinach. And vitamin D, or also called calciferol, their purpose is calcium absorption, and it's healthy for bones and teeth. And they also have a function in the immune system, and they reduce inflammation. And the sources are the direct sunlight exposure, fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, and eggs. And you can check my video about vitamin D. I made it separately in my channel. And then there is vitamin E, or tocopherol. The purpose is that they are a powerful antioxidant, meaning it protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. And vitamin E also has a function in the immune system, and it prevents blood clots. And the sources are sunflower seeds, almonds, peanuts, spinach, broccoli. And then the last fat-soluble vitamin is vitamin K, or you can call it phylloquinone or menaquinone. And their purpose is responsible for blood clotting and their bone health. And the sources are leafy green vegetables like kale or spinach, or Brussels sprouts and soybeans. Now we look into the water-soluble vitamins. And vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, promotes collagen, and collagen is needed for skin, blood vessels, and connective tissue. It also boosts immune system and also helps body to absorb iron. And the vitamin sources are citrus fruits like oranges and lemons, bell peppers, strawberries, tomatoes, and cruciferous vegetables also have the vitamin C. And the rest of the water-soluble vitamins are B vitamin complexes, and B vitamins work together to help the body convert food into energy and support brain and lung function. So the first one is vitamin B1, thiamine. It helps convert carbohydrates into energy and is essential for heart, muscle, and nerve function. And sources you can find in whole grains, pork, legumes, and nuts. And vitamin B2, or riboflavin, is important for body growth, red blood cell production, and breaking down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. And sources for them are milk, yogurt, eggs, lean meats, almonds. And vitamin B3, or niacin, supports cellular energy production, DNA repair, and it helps maintain healthy skin and nerves. And you can find them in poultry, beef, fish, brown rice, nuts, and legumes. And vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, is necessary for synthesizing coenzymes, metabolizing food, and producing essential hormones and cholesterol. And they can be found in almost all plant or animal foods, including beef, chicken, potatoes, oats, tomatoes, and avocados. And vitamin B6, or pyridoxine, is crucial for brain development, maintaining normal nerve function, and forming red blood cells. It also helps the body use to store energy from protein and carbohydrates. And you can find them in chickpeas, beef, liver, tuna, salmon, poultry, and bananas. And there's vitamin B7, biotin. It is essential for metabolizing fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. It is widely known for supporting healthy hair, skin, and nails. And you can find them in egg yolks, soybeans, nuts, and whole grains. And vitamin B9, or folate or folic acid, is critical for making DNA and other genetic material, and it is important for cell division. It is especially vital during early pregnancy, like the development of the brain and spine. And you can find them in dark leafy greens like spinach and asparagus, Brussels sprouts, beans, and peanuts. And the last vitamin, B12, or cobalamin, is essential for keeping the body's nerve and blood cells healthy. It helps make DNA and prevents a type of anemia that makes people tired and weak. And you can find them almost exclusively found in animal products like meat, fish, poultry, eggs, and dairy. And these are the 13 essential vitamins that our human needs. Thank you for watching.